Let's see how to use switch case in C program. Using switch case in C program. Okay, so hash include. First we have to include standard input output header file. Then in main function only we are going to write our operation. So program to print the digit names in words. Okay, so let's declare A. So prompt the user, enter A. So read the value from the user, ampersand A. So switch off A. Case 1. So if the user has entered a digit 1, then we are going to print that it is 1. Okay, then to come out of this case statement block, break it up. So case 2, printf 2. Okay, so if the user has entered digit 2, then we are going to print TWO. Okay, even default state also we can write. If the user has entered any other digits apart from 1, 2, if you want to print other digits or enter, you can just print whatever you want to give. So break you can give. Okay, so now let's execute and check. So A value, if I enter 1, it will print ONE. Okay, so now let me execute once again. If I enter 2, it will print TWO. Okay, so if I enter any other digits apart from 1 and 2, it will go to default case and it will print other digits or enter. Okay, hope you have understand the usage of switch case statement in C program.